Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to study about history first chapter of second PUC, impact of geography on Indian history, section 3. In the previous class we have already completed 6 special features of India. In the today's class, we are going to continue that. Point number 7, unity in diversity, which is considered as the one of the unique feature of India. India not only has a geographical diversity but also diversity in every sphere of human activity. Again, this unity in diversity is subdivided into 4 points, such as point number 1, physical diversity; point number 2, racial and linguistic diversity; point number 3, social and religious diversity; point number 4, economic diversity. So I will explain them one by one. First one, point number 1, physical diversity. India possesses diverse physical features: the coldest Siachen, the hot desert of Rajasthan, the snowy mountains of Himalayas, and the evergreen forest, coastal lines, etc., which have added to variety of flora and fauna. Next one, point number 2, there is a racial diversity in India. People belonging to various races such as Dravidian, Mongolians, Alpines, etc. inhabit in this country. Linguistic diversity is also another unique feature of Indian history. There are more than 1600 languages are spoken in India. Next one, point number 3, social and religious diversity. India is regarded as the museum of religions, culture, customs, languages, racial types, and social system. India also has a variety of food habits. India has a both patriarchal and matriarchal family system. Monogamy, polygamy, and polyandry are also practiced in India, and there are 4 great religions in India, namely Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism have originated in this land. Other prominent religions of the world, such as Christianity and Islam, Parsi, and all these subsets of all these religions coexist here with the great harmony. And India also believe in the concept of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. That means whole world is a family. Next, point number 4, economic diversity. In India, we find economic inequality because the resources are unevenly distributed. On the one hand, we find very rich people, on the other hand, very poor. Some regions and places are highly developed and some other are underdeveloped. The urban parts of India are highly developed and as compared to the rural area. Rural area of India is underdeveloped. So this is all about today's section. I have tried my level best to make it short and simple, and this question, unity in diversity, is the 5-mark question. So please prepare it well. If you have any doubts, please comment me below. I will definitely clear your doubts in my upcoming section, and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting topics in upcoming section. See you all tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe.